Yo, what's up? It's your boy, My Makes Money. And before I even get into the video, I'm at 231 subscribers. And if you love making money from playing cryptocurrency video games, or you just want to make money in general, hopefully you drop a subscribe button. And today I'm going to give you a talk about my DeFi pet. And this cryptocurrency project kind of has been around for longer than most cryptocurrency projects, mostly because there has been like 10 cryptocurrency projects that came out in the past month alone. And even though this cryptocurrency project is still in their beginning stages, I do think it still has potential. Right now, you're not able to make really any money. All you really can do is just invest and just breed axes and hope that in the future they're worth something. But hopefully, they just said they kind of like sneak peek of this boss mechanism. Most likely, that's probably going to be a way that you can actually make money in this game. And right now, a lot of people have left my DeFi pet in the past week alone. It's down 13%. I don't know if that's active wallets or active users. Yeah, it's down 13%. So I feel like people are leaving just because they can't make money right now, and people want fast returns on the cryptocurrency games that they're playing. There is a lot of good bullish sentiment. People are saying that they love this game, but there are some bugs and glitches. Like this person said, 10 minutes ago, me and my friend were both playing the game, and my friend suddenly got a reward for the maintenance for 30 gems, 30k food, and 120k coins, and I didn't get it. And there people are just, oh, this is kind of newish. I think there has some maintenance because maybe the servers are down, and right now there's not many things that you can do in this game. This guy says, dude, there's only 4 things you can do right now. It's not that hard to figure out. I'm just stacking my silver and food until more upgrades are done, and that's probably the main reason I haven't gotten into my DeFi pet. It's mostly just because I'm not gonna wait till the developers make a way and implement a way for you to make money from playing this game. I do think that it has pretty cool ideas, especially play based on the game. Well, I can't say it's based on the game that I played when I was younger, but I can't even speak sometimes. It reminds me of a game that I used to play when I was younger, and I can just play that game for like 2 hours, 3 hours. So this game is probably just gonna be one of those games that you just relax and play to. It's not gonna be probably that stressful unless you're trying to make as much money as you can. But it does seem like a relaxing game that you can just play when you get bored. And I think that's an interesting niche of cryptocurrency. And this token has gone through some ups and downs. Definitely the past month alone, a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrency video games, and I think we'll see what happens with this game in the future. Hopefully, they do implement the marketplace where people are going to be able to sell their DeFi pets and actually make money from playing this game. Right now, there isn't a way for you to make money, but all you really can do is spend money. But if people keep on playing this game, I do think it has potential in the future. Just because if the main player base is able to wait on developments and still play the game and hope for the game to have a way to make money, I think that can really just have a stable support system off of players that just really just want to play the game and have like good thoughts. Because if you're willing to wait, I think that's just gonna be more beneficial to the people that wait in the future. So it's your boy, My Makes Money. Today I was just talking about my DeFi pet, and peace.